Unlike explicit intents, which reference the class name of the activity to be launched, implicit intents identify the activity to be launched by specifying the action to be performed and the type of data to be handled by the receiving activity. For example, an action type of action view accompanied by the URL of a web page in the form of URL object will instruct the Android system to search for a subsequently launch a web browser capable activity. If you want to learn Android app development and start publishing your own apps, as thousands of people did, join our Udemy bestseller and high-rated course with a free coupon in the description below. The following implicit intent that I'm going to create after creating a button here. So the activity main, I will create a button here. And wrap content, text, it would open or go to Google. Okay, this button will take me to Google, but I'm specifying that I need to go to Google. And I will add the constraint to this, and I will change the background of the main constraint with a drawable colorful wall. This wallpaper, I have added it to the drawable folder in the previous videos, so you can check it. Colorful wall. Okay, now when the user click on this button, I will initialize it in the onCreate method, but btn equal to new or find view by id r.id dot what is the id of this button. It is button 100. It's good. 100. Okay, now btn dot set on click listener new view click listener, and what I'm going to do here is creating the implicit intent here, implicit intent to take me to Google. So I specify that I'm going to this URL, and the Android system is his work to find, and his job to find which application in the system is capable for opening or performing this action. So intent I equal to new intent, and I will specify intent dot action view action underscore view, and I will pass URI dot parse. And what is the parsing link? HTTPS www.google.com. Okay, and the same as explicit, I start the activity and call. Let's run and see. And this is our application. It has a go to Google button. If I click on it, it will give me Google by launching the WebView browser tester inside the emulator. So if I click on this, it will give me the tester of this Android application. So if I download many browsers for this emulator, it will give me another options. So if I connect on my real device, I go to Play Store, download Chrome or Opera or Firefox. If I click on this button, it will give me many options like going to Google using Chrome, using Opera, using Firefox, or whatever you want. So this is the implicit intent. This is the action view flag or filter, and this is the process that you can send what you need to perform to Android system, and he will filter and correct and direct you to the correct implementation of the. If you want to learn Android app development, go to Udemy and search for Android. You will get my course as a bestseller course, the complete Android 12 developer course, Mastering Android. Click on it. You're gonna learn how to build 60 apps from scratch with rating 4.4 and a bestseller. And this course is about 86 hours on video demand, okay, covering all the topics with 47 sections and about 463 lectures at the time of recording this video. So we are expanding this course and we are adding new tutorials every week. So are you ready to become a professional developer with this course? Join now